So good morning, very big warm welcome from myself, Helen, and from my brilliant Liz, who's part of Team Chatters. Really excited to be doing one together. It's really nice to be sitting next to a colleague to present. We have got a action-packed 45 minutes for you. Hopefully you're joining us with your child or with a tutor, and you're going to have some fun with us for the next 45 minutes. We're going to look through a whole host of ways to boost vocabulary so that you can go into that 11 plus feeling ready and armed to be brilliant at your TikTok best. So let's share my screen and then we can make a start. Hopefully you can all see that, and our little bouncing alien. So we are all about building a voice and boosting vocab at Chatters, and we're really delighted to have you with us and join us for this 11 plus webinar. And we're going to go through a whole host of different ideas. So with no further ado, let's get started with Liz. Liz is going to kick us off.
Hello, it's brilliant to be doing this today. Like Helen said, it's so nice to have company instead of running a webinar individually. Just going to bear with me a second. I'm just going to make it full screen. There you go. So the first type of puzzle we're going to be looking at is select puzzles, which are synonyms. Now, I'm sure some of you know what a synonym is, even though you might need a little bit of a reminder. So I'm feeling kind to start with. So I'm going to give you some questions to choose from. So is a synonym, are they words that are opposite in meaning or words that are similar in meaning? So have a little think about that. If you want to type it in the chat, you can, or if you just want to keep it in your head or write down on a piece of paper. Do you think synonyms are A, words that are opposite in meaning, B, words that are similar in meaning? Hopefully you all agree with me. It is B, words that are similar in meaning. So synonyms are equivalent words, a different word you can use for the same thing. So here's your first question. Select 3 synonyms for the focus word. Now, there was a reason why I stressed 3, because that's one of the key things when you're doing the 11 plus is to make sure you read the questions right. It may not always be 3. Sometimes it might ask you for 4, sometimes it might ask you for 2. So always read the question correctly. Select 3 synonyms for the focus word. So the focus word here is blob. While I read through the options, I want you to think of the 3 words you would choose. So none, blotch, clean, spot, mark and clear. I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. Okay, well done for having a go. So let's have a look. Other words we can use for blob. Bear with me, bear with me.
There we go.
There we go. That's the thing, we're doing a webinar on someone else's laptop. It's slightly different. I'm pressing the wrong buttons. So blotch, we can use the word blotch instead of blob. Spot and mark. So give yourself a big pat on the back if you got that. If you didn't quite get it, don't worry, you're just warming up at the moment. The next one, again, it's select 3 synonyms for the focus word, and our focus word here is little. And then we've got the options of slow, tall, teeny, tiny, mini and fast. Have a little think about what you would choose, type them in the chat, or put them on a piece of paper, or just in your head know which ones you would be choosing. If you're doing this with your parent or a tutor, you can have a little chat between yourselves to discuss what you would choose.
I think I've chosen. I think I'm.
Have you chosen? Do
Yeah.
you know yours?
I think I know.
Good,
mine.
good. So we've gone teeny tiny mini. Helen's very happy because she's got those right.
Got that. And that's us. So thank you ever so much. We're so pleased that you managed to join us. If you're watching this on catch up, then thank you. I hope you managed to take part in all the little activities. This is your moment now when you get to that 11 plus to really show off all that you know in that big, powerful, brilliant brain of yours and to show off what you know with vocabulary. We want to be able to help you, so do have a look at what we're doing. You get a free trial, so there's no reason why you can't just go on and play for a couple of days, see if we can help boost your vocabulary for that 11 plus. And every success. Thank you for joining us. We wish you all the very best with that exam in September. And if it's coming around for you next year, then you've got a year of vocab boosting fun ahead of you. So I hope that there's been some good ideas for you here. Big thanks to Liz.
No problem.
Thanks for joining us.
Thank you. Bye.